All right, guys, it's 7:30 p.m. We just got done driving 9 hours. We're at the space station. We're gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff in this building, and I'll kind of do a quick little walkthrough and show you guys what it looks like right now. We're gonna be doing some amazing stuff in here, so stay tuned for the videos. Let's go see what Waldo's doing, guys. There he is. What up, Waldo? Taping?
Yes, sir.
Some nice intricate taping here. That's some fun stuff.
Yeah.
So they're going around taping all the blue tape. We tacked all the plastic up, and then we go back and do the bottom edge. So you can see all blue tape, and then now we're going over the big old slide. All right, so this room's pretty much prepped. We got some stuff to fill, but other than that, clean. Plastic's up from when we stain. So we're applying the prep replacement right now, and then we're gonna do our first coat of concrete overlay. All right, guys, 8 o'clock, we're wrapping it up for the day, but I wanna show you the first project we started. It's our concrete wall, and it's right in the front entry. So here's the front entry, cool artwork on the wall. Here's the front door. So once you open that, first thing you're gonna see is an awesome looking concrete wall. This is the first coat, and then we have the decal that's gonna be in it right here. What's up, guys? Day 2, got the concrete wall behind us, nice and dry, turned out absolutely beautiful. So we'll finish up our next coats on this. But right now I'll take you outside. We're getting ready to mix a bunch of product for all these floors. It's kind of a long walk. All right, guys, day 3 is upon us. We got a lot done yesterday. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough on both buildings and show you everything that we did. So this is building 2. We did our black texture, black scratch coat. So it's basically a nice smooth floor, perfect to apply our filament tape to get our grout lines. And we're gonna do a geometrical pattern. And this whole building is gonna be really, really cool. So yeah, we got a texture coat on everything last night. Late night, hustled hard. And then we also coated the wall again. I'll show you guys that. So we're hydrating right now, getting ready to coat this, and then we'll let it drip on the floor, and then immediately start coating the floor. So pretty cool process. Got a bunch of the Space Station guys helping us do grout line taping for our wood grain plank, so check it out. Okay, day 4, getting ready to do our wood grain texture. And this is gonna make a lot more sense once we get it coated. All these wood planks are gonna stop. And then here's our concrete wall. You get wood planks going up that. Now this is the logo, we'll pull that later. So yeah, we got a lot done yesterday. All right, it's 9:30. We're finally staining. We already did one thin coat. Tim's putting on the second coat right now. You can tell it looks a lot more even with 2 thinner coats. Then obviously one little splotchy. Got that room done, and then we got to finish up out here. All right, it's day 5. Let's go see where we're at. All right, so here's the concrete wall. Stained it. We still gotta sand this, and I'll kind of show you what I mean by that. So this is sanding. So it brings all the gray out. Everywhere the high peaks are. All these high peaks, when we sand it, it brings that gray color out and gives it that really cool wood grain look. All right, so we're pulling tape now. We got the Spacestation guys helping us. I'll kind of show you that process. See how it's looking now. It's really starting to come together. Got a bunch of people helping pull these grout lines, the tape. Super cool design. And the pickleball court will be out here. And we got to do lines for out there too. So we're setting up for some dirty pour floors. Never been done before. Right here and over there by Alex. So gonna be pretty cool. It's gotta be really thick to do these dirty pours and not have to roll them or touch them. So we got a nice barrier there. We're doing this floor and then the hot tub area. Space Station crew, dirty pouring. All right, everyone, day 6. Gonna finish up the last things that we gotta do before we start sealing. This is the logo. We had some issues with the first one. It actually pulled the wall off. Our primer stuck so good, so we had to redo that, patched it, and now we're gonna do the logo coming out of the wall instead of recessed in. Everything's been pulled, grout lines, tape lines, all the plastic's basically cleaned up. Looking really, really nice in here. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Once we put our urethane on this, it's gonna really make it pop. So we're kind of getting everything ready for that. Last night we did the dirty pours. Doing the lines on the pickleball court using our scratch coat pigmented black. That's how you do a pickleball court. All right, every one of these projects will be on YouTube soon. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. All right, guys, check out what the gloss urethane does to the overlay. Big difference. All right, guys, we're in the space station. Got Shonduras here. Gonna do a walkthrough, show them everything that we did.
A whole new space station. This is incredible.
Right. Concrete
Starting
wall,
here.
their logo, wood planks done with concrete.
Up the wall.
Up the wall, that's right.
I love how it flows. So this used to be our office area, and then this was like a warehouse for storage. And as we've been expanding, we're expanding into this warehouse now with offices up here and the conference room and stuff. So the flooring now helps it feel like one big office instead of separated. As we started expanding, we bought the office next to us, so now we've expanded into here. And this is the warehouse kind of storage area. We drive drift carts and all sorts of fun stuff. So we wanted to keep this more, I guess, industrial and just mellow, and it turned out perfect.